Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Open Mind with you. And you would have noticed that gradually the daily videos, the daily wisdoms, the theories, the mantras have reduced. Well, that particular series has now come to an end, and now I am beginning with a new one, and I hope you will like this series as well. So, to start with, today's topic for discussion is what is the address of peace and happiness? Now, this is based on a real life incident which happened a few days ago, a few weeks ago. So, someone known to us, was trying to carry out interior renovation and all that within their house, but they could not do so during the COVID period. क्योंकि आपको तो पता है कि सब लोग कॉशन लेते हैं तो बराबर है वो तो सही था एंड देन as soon as things started opening up, things were near normal. This family went on a holiday somewhere because they said change chahiye. Right, who doesn't want a change, right? So when they came back they said yeah, I enjoyed. Lekin this and that, there is always exceptions and subject to this was there. So what we found that they had possibly a good time, but they did not find joy and happiness where they went. So then they said, okay, now we went wherever we wanted to go. Now let's carry out the long awaited renovation. So they did a good amount of renovation and they felt, yeah, just really happy. So after a few days, we came to know that they had gone out on a break because when they came back, realized that they found that whatever changes that they had made, they were not they could not make the changes could not make them happy, and they could not find peace in their own house. So they went on break to find peace and happiness outside the house and in the rooms, in the smaller rooms of the hotels where they would have stayed. Well, friends, this is the reality of life. If you want to really, people are desperately in the present times trying to find the address of joy and happiness, peace and happiness. The fact is that peace and joy and happiness, the address is residing within you. There is, and people are trying to buy happiness, buy joy, buy peace by booking vacations. The real happiness, joy, and peace is not available for sale. One can be happy, one can get peace even when somebody else is benefiting, somebody else is enjoying. For example, I will tell you, recently I was doing my workouts in the morning in the terrace, and I saw the watchman of the society was performing सूर्य नमस्कार कर रहा था वो, सूरज दादा के सामने ऐसा करके. So he was performing the ritual, and then he turned his back and he was taking a sun bath kind of thing, right? Of course, with his uniform on. I felt really happy for this person that chalo is dunya mein, with this level of his education and his job, he is having that kind of awareness that he needs to perform such things. This made me really happy. Did I need to go out and buy happiness or joy? No. I just watched him from a distance and I felt happy. This is the way that I view joy and happiness. What is your opinion? Please do let me know and keep sharing your thoughts. Okay, friends, see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling, keep enjoying, and keep finding happiness.